Welcome to iLecture Online. Our next example, it should be immediately clear that it looks like the difference of squares, and we probably want to factor that as the difference of squares. But then if you didn't see that, you could simply multiply everything out, make it look like the general form, and then factor that instead. But you could save a lot of time by realizing that this could be written as follows. This could be written as 4x plus 3 quantity squared minus 5 squared. Of course, that doesn't look like a 2. There we go. Equals 0. So now we have the difference of squares, and you know how to factor the difference of squares. This can be written as the quantity 4x plus 3 plus 5 multiplied times 4x plus 3 minus 5. And of course, then all we have to do is collect common terms and then find the solution. So here this can be written as 4x plus 8 multiplied times 4x minus 2. And of course that's equal to 0. Now we have two binomials multiplied together that gives us 0, which means that either 4x plus 8 equals 0 or 4x minus 2 equals 0. In the first case we get 4x equals minus 8, or x equals minus 2, or we can say that 4x equals 2 or x equals 1/2. And there's the two solutions. Notice we get there quickly by simply realizing we're dealing with the difference of squares. If you didn't see it, again, simply multiply everything out and you'll get the very same solution. And that is how it's done.